What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Wes, back at you another video. Today I'll be showing you guys a tool on SocialBook IO to help you guys and girls make titles that will get trending and just help your SEO out a bit better on YouTube. With that being said, let's get cracking. So once you log on to your SocialBook account, you go to the left hand side and you look for this tab called Tag Research. You scroll down. As soon as you find it, you click it. It's right in between the cartoonizer and the media kit. You click Tag Research and this should pop up. Okay, it says searching tag. So now what Tag Research does is you put in a tag and it'll show you the top videos. It'll show you the trending videos pertaining to that tag you put in. So for example, I'm gonna show you. Let's just put something like racing. You put it in the search bar, you press search, wait for it to show you all the results. Now it brings you a whole list of a whole bunch of things. Now I'm gonna break it down for you guys and girls out there exactly what each part or what all of these results are. So yeah, after you put in racing, what's going to happen is it'll give you a list of, or give you results from all different kind of things pertaining to that tag. And I'm going to explain to you guys what each of these things do. So on your right hand side, it shows the global search volume on YouTube pertaining to this tag. So on the United States, it's searched the most, the word racing. Then Argentina, the Philippines, Brazil, Canada. So these are the top 6 places that it's searched the most on YouTube. So if these are the crowd of people that you're looking for, if that's your particular crowd that you are catering to, this is a good tag to use for those crowds. If for example, let's just say you're looking for a tag that's popular in China, then this is probably not a good tag for you. Or rather Japan, it's not a good tag for you. So you probably want to put something in. So you see how this tag helps you out. Look for different countries to show you which countries are good for this tag. So then I'm gonna go further down. Now where it says keyword ideas by search volume. So what this does is it shows you the keywords that has racing, or rather the titles that has racing in it. And it shows you the volume. What the volume is, I'll read it to you. Search volume represents the average monthly number of searches for the keyword in the selected country. So what that is, it just shows you the amount of traction that keyword gets in a particular country of your choice. Then on the right hand side is the obvious clicks. It shows you how many clicks, the average of clicks per month pertaining to that title that's used, or rather the popular title that's used. This title right here says Crash Team Racing Nitro Fuel. It's one of the top keywords, or rather one of the top titles, and it shows you the volume and amount of clicks. So now on the right hand side, it shows you the relevant trending videos. What I mean by relevant is the current. So it says right here, it shows you right here the 11/24/2021. So basically today it shows you what's the most relevant trending videos pertaining to that tag, to this tag that you put, which is racing. So one of the top videos is racing Vivo, and I can't pronounce that Spanish, but it shows you what's the top. This is one of the top videos of today pertaining to the racing video. Pertaining to the racing tag. And what's also cool about the Tag Research tool is not only it shows you the popular titles that's used for the most popular videos, it also shows you the tags that go along with it. So I don't know if anybody know about this, but when you make a YouTube video, not only you put the title helps you out with people noticing your video, but the actual tags within your video. So if you scroll down, if you go on YouTube and then you scroll down. You put the title of your name of your video, and then you put your thumbnail. Once you scroll down further into your the section where you edit your video on YouTube, there's gonna be a section that says tags. This is where you could put the tags at, and this will help you get more traction or eyes for your video, because these are also tags that people look for in the videos. So my advice to you people out there is not only to try to not 100% copy word for word the title of this video, but you can also see the tag. I would highly suggest you copy at least the video tags and put it in your video, and then also take a little bit from this video of the title they use and put it in your own to get more traction. So that's basically what the relevant trending video section does. It shows you the top videos of that day or that week pertaining to the tag that you put in, that you search for, and it also shows you the tags within that video that they use, that you can use. So I would not only copy the first relevant, or rather the number one relevant video pertaining to the tag that you use. I'll copy as many tags as I can from, I guess, the first 3 or 5 videos until my tag slots get filled up. I think on YouTube they give you like five characters you can use for tags. So I'll fill that up and just put all of these tags in there. Now it says interest over time. It shows you the interest from, I believe, 0 to 100 on how much interest this particular title has drawn to people over the last few months. So obviously you want anywhere between, I would say, a 50 to 100. That seems like a pretty good score. Obviously you want something even higher than 50. If you get like somewhere between the 70 to 100 range, then that particular thing has a lot of interest in it. Then you have your related queries section. This is a pretty decent section too. It shows you people who are interested in different types of racing and different just titles pertaining to racing. And then obviously you could go to, there's like different pages you could flick to in regards to that as well. So this tool is pretty interesting and useful in my opinion. You also look at the relevant tags or the popular tags. So overall, I think this tool is good for anybody who's having trouble with figuring out what tags to use for their videos, what titles to use for their videos, and you could also get a gauge on what's popular in different countries, what tags or titles are popular in different countries. Sometimes people from different countries are catering to their particular country, and they wondering why maybe they get a US audience, which they probably don't want a US audience. They probably want an audience from their country. So this tool is very important, or rather good, for you to use to kind of really distinguish what countries are gravitate to what titles and tags. So I would highly suggest anybody use this tool if you're using SocialBook IO. Once again, like I said in my other videos, if you haven't already, register, sign up for SocialBook IO. With that being said, this is your boy Wes. I'm out of here. Peace.